Hey guys, we are in Williamsburg this week. Connor and I are exploring Brooklyn, and this is our hotel. So I'll do a little tour. Starting here, we have this closet that is actually really spacious for the size of this room. And then two robes, which I love to lounge in, but they have a pool, so you can wear it up to the rooftop as well. This is a little bathroom area. Everything's really bright in here, which is nice. And then a shower with just a rain shower head over. We have snack bar, and then down here we have a mini fridge, a safe, and a little bit more storage space. Here we have the bed, clearly, but I thought this was cool. They give you a little sound machine in case you need that to sleep. It's touchy. Bed is comfortable, TV. So my favorite part of the room is the view. I would just love to sit here and eat breakfast or work. There's a little yacht going down the river right now, and we're loving this place so far. That's the super short, quick room tour. Hope you guys like it. We love the hotel. It's very cool. Just got some juices from Juice Generation in Williamsburg. Now we're headed to our first showing.
Happy?
Happy. What kind did you get again?
Pistachio Dream.
Pistachio Dream. I got a green smoothie. Starting off with the first apartment that we toured in Brooklyn. It's nestled right in between Cobble Hill and Brooklyn Heights. This unit was a 1-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and some of the pros were that it was newly renovated. So all of the finishes were gorgeous in the bathrooms and living spaces. It was just very clean and pristine in the unit. I was obsessed with the stainless steel appliances and the gas range stove, of course. It was a split level, so the top floor had a bathroom, kitchen, and living space, and then you went downstairs into a bedroom space in the second bathroom. Although it wasn't that big, it felt spacious with the split level. It also had an in-unit washer and central AC, which are game changers. However, for us, the cons outweighed the pros. They were building a new building right next door, and as this was on the first level, the building would block all of the natural light because the windows faced it, and there was just a lot of noise from the construction workers, and my husband works remotely. So it was a cute unit, but just not the right one for us. Got pigs in a blanket, and they're so delicious and buttery. So good. Goodbye. I love this setup. Disco. Should we get a disco ball? Rinsed off at the hotel, and now we are headed to go get some Szechuan at, it's called a Bird of a Feather. I'm excited to check it out. The Instagram photos make it look really tasty. Walking home from dinner. We're cold.
And full.
And full. Good morning. Just woke up and I wanted to paint my nails. I got a new static nails color and didn't have the time to do it before our trip, so I'm just sitting looking out of the window. See, my baby hairs.
And that's what's on the agenda, and then I'm gonna go grab some coffee. We were just going to quick casually run for coffee before going to the pool, but a new place popped up on Street Easy. So we're going to look at a unit over in Williamsburg and grab some coffee before. What'd you get?
Flat white.
Flat white? Oh, it's a blank space.
Our second apartment tour is more of a compilation of units. Like I said, I was in Williamsburg and had saw this place pop up nearby on Street Easy. We really loved the location, which was a pro, and some of the other pros were that it had really high loft-like ceilings, really big windows, so the units that faced north and south still got a lot of light. It was a dog-friendly location, which was on our list for all of the units that we looked at. The bathrooms are really clean, nice looking. Overall, we just really liked the style of these units. They were more of a loft style, and I just think that having those higher ceilings helps a smaller space feel a lot bigger. And it was also just close to a lot of fun places, cafes, and the train station, which is important. However, we ended up having a really horrible experience with them. We asked multiple times. They had multiple units available that we wanted to put applications in, and they were just very unresponsive and ignored us a lot and kind of beat around the bush. So while this was in first place, we ended up not going with this unit or any of these units, and it just ended up being a bad experience and kind of put a bad taste in our mouth with this particular building. Just left the pool to grab some lunch. There's a pool area, a bar, and then seating, and then there's a little, what would you call it, like a patio balcony area up top. So cool. That side has views of Brooklyn, and then it's the water tower, which is a little event space at the hotel. And when I turn around, you get the views of Manhattan. I love this hotel. It's such a cool space. Our first time staying here, and we'll definitely be back in the future. What'd you say?
So you tried to go video?
We just ordered lunch at the pool, and we got birria tacos and a watermelon salad, and they look so good. Like, unreal. Connor's already eating. I can't wait to try these. Where's my finger? Mine's in here. We just went on the rooftop, which was so dope, and then behind me, cool. Loving this spot.
The last apartment that we looked at in Brooklyn was in Boreum Hill, and it was a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. Some of the pros were that the bathroom was updated and it looked really nice, along with the kitchen, had newer appliances and a dishwasher. Actually, all of the units we looked at had dishwashers, so we really lucked out there. There was lots of natural light. There was lots of windows throughout the apartment. However, the con was that it felt really small and cramped in this apartment. And there was no laundry, and it was located near a busy street, so it didn't rank very high on our list.
We looked at an apartment in Cobble Hill area about an hour ago, and now we're just walking around the neighborhood to check it out. We're hungry. It's about 6 o'clock, so we're gonna go very hungry. We just went to the Crystal store, and now we're gonna go grab some pizza. We were not successful trying to find food in Cobble Hill, so we're back going to the hotel, stopping there, and then finding some food in Williamsburg. Hopefully something casual. Let's come. Take a little bite of that.
Take a bite. It's just right.